All right, so I'm creating a video demonstration on the instructions that are on this page. So to give you a setup, first off, um, I have this document that I got from First Sergeant Vega, and in this one, it's a good looking worksheet, and this one could be created in Canvas quizzes, but it would be pretty complicated. It would take a lot of work ahead of time, and I'm sure most of you don't have a whole lot of time to spend doing that right now with everything else that you're trying to do. So here's what I've got as a solution. You're taking this one. Now, for this to work, it does need to be converted into a Google Docs first. Right now, it's in the DOCX format, Microsoft format. So in order to make it work, you have to open in Google Docs, which I've already got set up here. And in this one, what they're doing is they're watching a video about Maria, they're watching a video about Brian, and then they're coming up with scores for all these. Okay, so going back to the assignment, in the steps, so this is introduction stuff to it, but then we get into the steps. So first up, you're going to create your assignment in Google Docs. That's what I showed you. Now, sheets will work, slides will work. I think forms will work as well. You may run into a few more issues with it. It's really designed to work well with Docs. So let me just throw that out there. So in Canvas, you're going to create an assignment, probably through the modules page. I've already got that done. My assignment here is called using Google Drive 2, which is what you're looking at right now anyway. Next, you're going to put in any additional information or instructions that students need to know. And that's all this stuff that's up here. Now, I'm going to scroll down. For the submission type, what I need to do is choose External Tool. Okay, so you're going to pick External Tool. Then you're going to click Find. So you need to find the external tool that you're going to work with. There are a number of them out here. And in this case, we're going to go with, I'm going to scroll down a little further, Google Docs Cloud Assignment. Okay, so I go ahead and click on that one. And you may need to authorize on yours. And I have a lot of folders and whatnot in mine. So couple clicks for me to get where I need to go. And see, I've got the two different versions here. I've got that one, which I don't want. This is the one that I do want. I'm going to go ahead and click Submit, Select, and you don't see anything change. All right, and that's because it doesn't change until you go and save it. So now when you've saved it, it's going to create the worksheet down here, and you'll notice up here you've created a cloud assignment external tool submission type. Okay, students will receive a copy of this document. So instead of having to save the document themselves or create it from scratch, there's this worksheet that they can work with. They can type in values right here, which I don't think I want to do because I think that'll change the master, but in their version it will create a brand new version. Now, the other thing that they're able to do is if they click example worksheet here, it will open up in a new tab, and then they can see it a little bit better. And then they can go ahead and fill in all these forms here. Obviously, I'm logged in on two other tabs. All right, so there we go.